Hazur, we are all aware of the fact that for an Ahmadi Muslim man to marry a woman following any book, for instance a Christian or a Jewish individual, he must first seek the guidance and permission from Khilafat. This is why my question is regarding Islam in general. We know that a Muslim man can marry a Christian or a Jewish woman, but why is it that a Muslim woman cannot marry a Christian or Jewish man? A friend of mine raised this allegation and claimed this is inequality. How do you suggest I respond?
بات یہ ہے کہ انیکویلٹی اس لیے جو you can marry a girl who is not Muslim, right? So she will live under your influence. لڑکے کا یا مرد کا اپر ہینڈ ہوتا ہے نا. لیکن اگر تمہاری مسلم وومن میریز اینی آف دا کرسچنز, شی ول بی انفلوئنسڈ بائی his the religion of his her husband. So this is why Islam says کہ کیونکہ عورت کین ناٹ رزسٹ, ٹھیک ہے, اس لیے اس پہ she is not permitted to marry a man who is not of her religion, right?